Hey yo ST fam, how are you all? This is your boy Ronit back again with another video. So in this video I'll be showing you the difference between iOS 13 and the latest iOS 14 beta 1. So without any further ado, let's get started. So यार before getting into the video I would request you all कि जाके subscribe कर लो channel, video like कर दो, video पे comment कर देना कि video कैसी लगी, पूरी देखना video, skip मत करना क्योंकि मैं पूरा proper speed test करने वाला हूँ कि क्या differences हैं. तो let me show you that this iPhone is running on iOS 3.5.1 and this is running on iOS 14. So let's get into the video. So now let's start the video by booting up both the phones at the same time. So let's turn them off. So as you can see that the iOS 14 booted up way faster than the iOS 13. And now we are on the iPhone which is using the iOS 13.5.1. So now let's go to the apps. So guys, now as we are done with booting up both the phones, so now let's come towards the apps. So let me ensure that both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Yes, they both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let's go with Ludo Gang first. So 2 and 1. Faster on the iOS 13 there. Now let's go to the App Store in 3, 2 and 1. Slightly faster on the iOS 13 I guess. Let me know if I am wrong in the comment section down below. So now let's go to camera in 3, 2 and 1. I guess it was faster on the iOS 14. So now let's go to Snapchat in 3, 2 and 1. Faster on the iOS 13 I guess. So now let's go to Ghana in 3, 2 and 1. Faster on the iOS 13 there. Now let's go to maybe Paytm in 3, 2 and 1. Faster on the iOS 14 there. Now let's go to GarageBand in 3, 2 and 1. Faster on the iOS 13. Now let's go to Calculator in 3, 2 and 1. Almost the same. Now let's go to Files in 3, 2 and 1. Faster on the iOS 14. So let's go to Book My Show now in 3, 2 and 1. Faster there on the iOS 14. Now let's go to PUBG Mobile in 3, 2 and 1. So let's see who wins. You can see a faster boot up there on iOS 14. So yeah, pretty fast on the iOS 14 in the gaming right there, a major difference. So let's do it once more to ensure it. So in 3, 2 and 1. Yeah, pretty fast on the iOS 14 there. A major difference. So according to Heavy Games, the iOS 14 is doing pretty much better. Now let's go to the weather app. 3, 2 and 1. So pretty fast there on the iOS 13. So now let's go to Safari. 3, 2 and 1. So maybe it was slightly faster on the iOS 13. Correct me if I am wrong in the comment section down below. Now let's go to YouTube. in 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3. So maybe it was faster on the iOS 14 there. So let's go to Hotstar in 3, 2, 1. So maybe it was faster on the iOS 14. So let's do it once more. So in 3, 2 and 1. Faster on the iOS 14 clearly. So let's go to shortcuts in 3, 2 and 1. Faster on the iOS 13 I guess, or they both were equal, I'm not sure. Let's do it once more in 3, 2 and 1. About the same, actually exactly the same. If you ask about me that you should upgrade from iOS 13 to iOS 14 right now, my answer is absolutely yes, you can upgrade to iOS 14 because there is not a major difference between both. Somewhere the iOS 14 is better, somewhere the iOS 13 is better, because the iOS 14 is just launched and it's the developers version right now. It's not been fully and publicly launched, but you can enjoy the features before the official launch and it's worth it, like for me at least. So guys, that was the end of the video. If you liked the video, do drop a like and subscribe down below right now, and comment down below your suggestions and how, if you like the video or not. And yeah, do also comment that if I was wrong somewhere, cause actually I see in the lens on the camera and I don't have a clear focus on the phone, so I don't know where the phones are clearly going. So as usual, this is Ronit signing off.